Hi everyone, our baby boy Asher is 7 weeks old. We're taking him to several doctor appointments. One of them is a neurologist, and she recommended that we go with a box called Lovevery. This is a subscription service that promotes brain development through certain milestones. This specific box is weeks 0 to 12. So we ordered it about a week ago. We just got it, and we're very excited to open it up and see what's in here. So this specific box is called the Looker. It's 0 to 12 weeks. And then on the back of this card, it shows that we're 0 to 12. And it says suggested timeline for introducing playthings. And it shows all the different items that are in the box. And then these, the order of which we need to play with them with Asher. So that's nice to see. So it looks like we're going to get.
So it's like a roadmap of what to use.
It's basically a roadmap. So it looks like we're on the first box, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to be getting 5 more boxes. We decided to put everything on the table because the box was in the way. So this is kind of nice. There's a little card, and it says, "Hi baby, hi you." And it's really just explaining the overall idea of the box. Ideas based on current research and findings on the neurological developments of infants. So that's nice. Now this is the roadmap that we were showing before, and we're going to go through all these items in just kind of very high level. So we're on 0 to 12 weeks. So the first thing here is the mobile. Now this mobile is kind of cool, actually. It kind of reminds me of one of those rain or wind, was it those things that you hang and it spins? That's kind of what it reminds me of. So the one side is black and white, and that's because little babies can't see color, I guess. They can really just see black and white. And then the other side is a color. So we're supposed to do the mobile like this with the black and white facing down. And that's supposed to promote brain development. And then around 20 weeks, we flip it where the black and white is up and the color is down. So that's cool. I guess we can hang this on, the current mobile we have.
Yeah. I like that it's big too. It's not like you have to put it like in a very certain spot for them to be able to see it.
And just I guess we have to make sure that wherever we hang it is high enough, because it's his head has to be 10 or 12 inches away from it, not that close. Right. So that's the mobile. Nice. Next item on here is the simple black and white card set. That's the wall decals. So I think this is the simple. No, that's not it. This is it. So simple white and black card decals or card set. So if I try and open this carefully so it doesn't rip. So again, everything's in black and white. So that's kind of cool. We don't have. I don't know if we have a lot of black and white items for him right now. So this is nice. So you can see there's all different shapes. There's macaroni. There's a circle with lines. More circles and boxes. What shape is that?
It's like dinosaur footprints.
Dinosaur footprint shapes. So
that's the one that we can use like for tummy time.
Right, I guess. Or when he's okay, yeah. So that's the card set. I'm gonna put that over there. Next here we have the sensory links. So that's what these are. Ooh, mobile string. That's what these are. Now one of them squeaks. That's this one.
I'm kind of sorry looking for
our dog's looking.
That's so for you?
I wonder if this one rattles. This one's a crinkly. And this is a hook, and the hook.
Oh, he loves a good crinkle.
I guess the hook goes maybe there.
Oh, there's a thing on this too.
Yeah. Well, look, there's another hook over here. So I think I maybe Velcro that and.
I wonder if it's supposed to connect on both ends to something.
You like that?
Oh, there you go. And then I wonder where you would put that.
I don't know. So we'll figure that out.
It is cute though.
It's nice.
Maybe like we could put it on his like bassinet, like while you have across it.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. That's neat. Next we have the standing card holder. So I think this is actually for tummy time, right? So you put them on the ground, face or stomach down, and you kind of put this here. So one side.
So those cards go into this.
Yeah, so this one side is all rainbow colors, and then the other side is where you put the cards. Where are the cards?
Okay.
Oh, no, they're right here.
No, those are the decals.
They're
over there. That
no, I thought this was the simple white and black card
yeah,
set.
those are the ones that go in here.
Oh, okay. Okay, so
Let's see what
white
they look like in it.
card set goes in.
Oh, it's just like a little slot, that's nice.
Yeah,
It's
the
not
little
like
pockets.
difficult.
So you put it in here, and then I guess on tummy time, you just lay like that, and I guess they lift up their head and they can look at
You know
the
where else we
cards.
can put them?
Where?
In the car.
Uh,
Like if we drape it down the seat and he'll look at it as we're driving.
Okay. We could try that.
Is there like a string on it to like hang it on anything? Or
No, there's Velcro where you can fold it
there's a
up.
little pouch too to put
There's
the
a
cards
little
in.
pouch to put the cards in, so might as well just do that now. Fits perfectly, and I'm gonna take this out, put this in here.
I do wish there was someone like hanging on.
Yeah, especially, oh well, it says standing card holder, so it's not,
Wow, so it's meant to
it's
stand.
standing, so
Okay.
standing,
Tummy time.
yeah. Next is the wooden book,
That's cute.
literally just called wooden book.
Except
Guess
for
I'll
the
just
back,
rip this
yeah.
off, might as well.
It is nice to have all these black and white tweezers in one box and not have to go on like Amazon and find a bunch
So
of
that's
different
kind
black
of
and
cool.
white tweezers.
It has
Oh, they're animals.
animals.
That's cool.
So when would you use this? I guess just as
Just like whenever he's up.
whenever, I guess. Okay. Ooh, this little porcupine, right? Or
I like that they're
hedgehog.
animals. And not just like different like organic shapes.
Right. This is the silicone rattle with removable ball. So rattle, and then the ball actually removes.
Can this be like a teether too, I wonder?
Probably, yeah. Seems like it's flexible, like enough to do.
Yeah.
So that's
That's
interesting.
cool.
So
And
the
easy for them to like
ball
grab,
fits
too.
in here. I guess we'll cut that tag off. So that's nice. Then we have the.
Those are the decals. We're finally making it to the decals.
These are the decals. Okay.
Right?
All right. Yeah, I think so. Actually, I don't know because
What does that say?
there's two different card sets. There's complex card set and then black and
so
white
they're probably
or
like
simple.
mixed in the same thing.
So no, but these are decals and then
Check that. I wonder if they're in the same. No, like open up the deck that you put in there. Yeah.
so you're saying maybe there's
They're just like inner. Main
complex
goals.
and simple on here.
Oh yeah. See how those are like.
Yeah, so this does look complex, right?
Oh, so maybe one side of the card is simple and one is
Oh,
complex.
okay. So simple,
Right.
complex. Simple.
So I wonder why they didn't just make two different sets because.
It's easy. I mean,
But should we be like showing him the simple ones at a certain age?
I think the
first?
simple ones come first. Yeah. So it says suggested timeline for introducing
Okay.
things, and this is further the
Gotcha.
complex
Further
side of the card set is toward the back of the
Gotcha. So
timeline.
start with the simple.
Right. Something that actually isn't on here is the decals. So there are wall decals that we got, I guess, to put on the wall. And again, they're, I guess, more complex than simple, but there's houses, there's a tree, what's this called again? Watering canister?
Water can.
Water can, bicycle,
Oh.
a sun with clouds, a bumblebee, and some flowers. So we can, I guess, put that on the wall. How would you ever see this though?
So it says they're meant to be reusable, and you could put them on the wall.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm trying to think. Maybe if the crib. No, he's not in a crib yet, though. We can figure that out.
Maybe if we put them on the wall in his room, and then when he was on, like, doing tummy time,
Yeah,
he would see it.
maybe.
We'll have to figure it out. That seems like a harder thing to use.
Yep.
Is this on there?
No, it's not. The last item that shows on the timeline is black and white mittens.
Actually, you love it with your mittens.
These the mittens are actually nice because when they're young like this, they scratch their face because they're fingernails.
Yeah, so I was surprised to see it on the last part of the timeline.
Yeah, this is something I would probably use.
Like, we could use that now, I think.
Quickly, yeah, right away. So
they recommend
put their little cute hands in here, and I guess that's nice because they see it, right?
We just found the play guide. It was at the very bottom of the box.
Oh wow. Okay, so this is actually explaining everything that we just went through. No, well this says, oh wow, so this is actually in detail. So,
Okay.
So it's actually saying literally in a lot of detail here what to do in the first 4 weeks. The next item here is 5 to 12 weeks, and then 0 to 12 weeks. So I guess that's general, the whole thing. Oh, okay. So look, it shows like photos of how to use the mobile.
Well, that helps.
That's nice. And then on the back, it shows it explains what each one is. So that's cool.
Does it show the links? Because I was interested in what they do with that.
The links. Oh, this one. So it looks like you hang.
Like on his
You hang these from the tummy time thing.
Yeah, like the
thing
gym
the thing that's on. Oh, the gym. The play gym.
Yeah.
And then.
Okay, and then tummy time.
Tummy time.
So it seems like a lot of them are to encourage tummy time.
So this is
a big thing that he has to do. So
this is really nice to have because when I was first looking at the box, I guess I didn't see this, and I didn't know that there was an explanation of everything that we're looking at.
It was in the very bottom of the box.
It was in the bottom, but this is actually very nice, very nicely laid out. It explains different milestones and how to ensure that he achieves those milestones. Baby massage, bonding, feet, good hormones, body language. So that's nice. I feel like that's going to be really helpful.
Yeah.
You bought the subscription, and then you added
$80, and then you were able to add on extra things.
$80 subscription, and then you added on these things. So high contrast,
like
baby, and it looks.
I thought it was good for on the go kind.
So basically, just black and white images with a little explanation of this one says. I guess it's the baby talking. It says, "I can't look, but I also can't look away. He may already be smarter than I am." No, that's about the baby.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's high contrast, and then this one is, "What do you see, baby?" And it looks like it's very similar. Okay. So how much were these to add on?
I think it was maybe between $5 and $10.
Last item.
That was a little surprise you got.
This is a surprise that we did not purchase. It just came. So this says
Aww, did you
something for you. It says a little something for you. Let's open it up. Oh, it looks like a coffee mug.
We love our mugs.
Another coffee mug. The days are long, but years are short. So that's nice. Our plan is to use this box for several weeks and just do a recap of our thoughts and impressions on everything, what Asher likes, what's helpful, what we found good and bad about everything. I'm really thinking that most of these items are going to be really, really helpful.
I think before we even use it, I think it was worth the money of the amount of toys and stuff that we got.
Right.
Because just that one link is probably like $20 if you bought it on Amazon.
Right. $80 is nice. And again, I'm really going over this book, but it's just really nice to have so much detail here of, you know, certain weeks. You know, so that's, you know, maybe this is, I guess this is probably something you can find on the internet, but it's nice that everything is just here, so you don't have to go searching for it. But yeah, definitely got a good money's worth of items here. It'd definitely be more than $80 if you bought everything individually. I don't think you can't buy them individually from the company, but if you bought them individually at like a baby toy store, maybe some similar item. So that is the unboxing of the Lovevery. So that's the unboxing of our Lovevery. We will be getting the new one after 12 weeks. Right now we're at what, 7?
Yeah.
7, right?
7 weeks.
7 weeks. So in about 5 or 6 weeks, we'll be getting our second box. So we have about 5 weeks to use this. Very excited. Stay tuned, and we'll be creating another video.